went to uni to study criminology and psychology, which wasn't really my thing. About 3 years into my course, I dropped out, became full-time chef. Worked around for a couple of other places. I was doing 50 to 60-hour weeks, sometimes 70-hour weeks, which was, really rough. I figured, I've worked hard enough, standing up, sweating, so a change is needed. Getting into cybersecurity, well, my cousin came over this one time, and he's showing me what you can do with computers, and you can take down my network, you can listen to through the network if I put in my passwords and whatever. And I was like, wow, what else can you do? What else can you show me? I was like, you kind of get us very chilling feeling, you get scared of it, security-wise anyway. So I went around, and then I found IT and cybersecurity. So I went with Melbourne Polytechnic because they're offering the dual certificate in IT and cybersecurity for the price of one. So that was pretty good for me. First of all, I'd like to start off in government, public sector, work there for a while, and then from public sector, then move to private, and then start helping in NGOs, doing foundations, charity work, sort of stuff, through IT and cybersecurity. With the way things are, with how unsecure a lot of things are, you're always going to find work, much like cooking, but you get to sit down and be comfortable, which is priority number one for me now.